Welcome, welcome one, welcome all, to the Comics Culture and Cosplay stream. My name's Kevin, I'm your host as always. Before we get started with this epic samurai cinematic experience, little caveat to today's stream. So there's a series of tornadoes rolling through my area, so we're going until, I don't know, the power knocks out or the roof blows away, or for the next 30 to 45 minutes. We'll see. TBA, keeping an eye on things, but point being, this is an extreme stream. And also want to give a shout out to our main show, the Comics Culture and Cosplay Podcast. We upload to Spotify, iTunes, and Spreaker, and to fandomlim.com, the Fandom Lim Podcast Network. And our show is essentially just a roast of the nerdiest news from the past week. Me and my 2 to 3 co-hosts, Zach, Mari, and Josh, dish about, again, the nerdiest news, and then we review things at the end of the show, give you something to read, something to watch, something to chew into until the next Friday when we upload. So, keep going. Trek to Yomi. Game I've been wanting to play for a while. Very much inspired by the legendary samurai films of Akira Kurosawa. This was given away for free as a PlayStation Plus promotion. I think it was a month or two ago. But this, I don't know, it at least saved me the trouble of getting this, because I was going to get this and stream this anyway. So, let's dig into this. Alright, so Kabuki, that's theater mode, Bushido, so on both story and sword. Ronin, and then Kenshi is not accessible. Let's go with Bushido. I like a good balance. And hello Zeal, welcome to the stream. And oh shit is right, yeah. I live in a very urbanish area, so it's kind of bizarre. We had it's not the first time in the last couple of years that we've had really severe weather rolling through. I mean, obviously, those you know me, I'm in and around Chicago. Yeah, shit's getting kind of wild. So we're gonna see what we do. We're gonna see what's going on. There's no point in me reading this. You can. Boy. If you listen closely enough, you can actually hear the tornado alarms going off in the background. Oh yeah, Tornado Alley, for sure. I am familiar. I think we're in Tornado Alley as well. It's been shifting because of climate change as well. There's so many times, Master Sanjuro. What must we do with the game? You are to become a samurai. Sleep with one eye open. You fight her. She is my greatest disciple. Hi, Sensei. Teach us to learn, so today I will take the lead. Please make space for me. Give me the room! I already lost. Observe. Give me the room. Runs him directly at him. Okay. Observe how I am mashing the square button. Basically. The enemies will be straight up fountains. We'll see if it's in black and white. You might be able to get away with a lot more blood. Ooh. You blocked my guard.
風のように動け。さすれば刀に囚われることはあるまい。
Played a video game before in my life. Alright. And... Okay, I see. Let's see, wait. Ow! Hold on. Wait, no. Parry and counter. No, I done it. You're full of shit. Perform a counter attack. I have to remember. Oh god. There we go. Sure. You're like good enough. we gotta get show on the road here. Thank you, game. I appreciate that. Hey yo. Tornado stream. You guys hear that? Hot damn. Too hot. Hot damn.
Aiko, 我々はどういたせばよいでしょうか。
父上があれほど案ずるとは気がかりでなりません。何があったのか明らかにせねば。されど先生はこれはお稽古よりも大事でございます。
It's difficult to focus on the story right now. I'm not gonna lie. Oh. Way whoa, way whoa. Yeah, you can hear that. I'm yeah. Welcome to what is not, hopefully not my last stream. Jesus Christ. Fuck me. Holy chill out, I'm trying to do a thing. Just for my own sake, is it yellow outside? A little bit.
Hiroki 殿、拙者は愛子殿、その
お顔が赤くなっておられますよ。今は先を急ぎましょう。美味しそうではございましたが。
Ooh. Huh. Well, gang. That was good but short. Yeah, we got a tornado warning, so I wanted to come in, just let y'all know what was going on. Thanks for joining this week. Goody but a shorty. Very intense stream. So I bid you all good safety, and I will hopefully see you next week, same time, same channel, or maybe even later tonight. All right. I'm gonna get into safety. Bye-bye now.